welcome back to another video. On today's video, we are going to be unboxing this right here. This is the Kylie Jenner Bratz collaboration. I'm so excited to dive into this and unbox to see what we got. I don't know if you guys can tell, I kind of was going for like a Kylie Jenner look, but I think I ended up looking more Dolce & Gabbana.
But I'm copying her Dolce Vita lifestyle. Okay.
Maybe it's the necklace, I don't know, but I just try to do something really glitzy glammy because I remember one time Kylie Jenner and her mom did a commercial and it was just so over the top, so I was trying to go for that vibe.
2 shots of vodka.
Well, I don't even measure anymore.
I know, it's a joke.
2 shots.
It's a meme.
Who made that recipe? Okay, so try to open that. Oh, there you go.
And also, my lipstick is so different than what it normally is. This is a very, very old lip combo that I haven't used in years, since before I started YouTube, but this is the KKW Kylie Jenner collab. I don't know if you guys remember when this lip trio came out forever ago. I remember those days of Kylie Cosmetics where you had to wait forever for the lip kit to drop and you had to be one of the first ones because it would sell out within like 5 minutes. So this is a little throwback. I always kept it just because I remember how hard it was for me to get it, so I just keep it in my archives, but it still comes out so pretty. Like, look at that. It's like the perfect nude lip. And this one was in the shade Kim. Anyways, the real reason we're all here. Yes. In case you want to know how to get one of these, or I guess any display, you really just have to ask, and it has to be the last of that item. Since there was only 7 left, I took the display to the front and just asked if I could keep it. They did get a manager involved, but since they normally throw out the box anyway, they let me have it. They did take this part off though. I don't know if you could see, it's kind of like wonky. They wouldn't let me keep this because technically these are like the products, but then they handed it to the cashier and let the cashier have it. So the cashier decided to gift it to me because they said they don't have any grandkids or no use for it. So I guess instead of like letting it go to waste, they just gave it to somebody who really wanted it. It looks like we have a Norman, one of her Met Gala looks, and then another Slay. So this is the side of the box, and then the back says Kylie Jenner times Bratz, and then it's just a repeat on both sides. This is so cute. Ah, look at it. It's already coming apart. Anyways, this is so cute to have as a display. Perfect little touch for my room because it's very girly. Just from the little bit you guys can see here, it's very girly and decked out. Yes! So this is the boxes. I'm gonna do an up close for you guys. I don't know why I'm so happy right now. So this is how it comes out. And then, ooh. Open it. Ooh. It's like an ASMR. Okay, let's open this. Right away you see it says Kylie, it has the lips, and then it pops out. It looks like this. Also looks like there's a stand on here. And it comes with this little manual that comes out like this. It's so cute because you could use this as a poster. So this is all of what you could get. Total of 6 looks and 5 accessories, 2 Met Gala looks. It looks like 2 red carpet looks and 2 streetwear looks. It also has a pink Corvette. It actually looks like it could come purple or pink, which is iconic. We have Norm, which is her dog, velvet rope that you could get, a little cap, and then it looks like a lippy phone, which is really cute. Let's go ahead and see which one of these we got. Okay, let's see what we got. So the first thing, ooh, kind of a little bit bent. Little rope for the red carpet. So this is the first little thing that we got. We'll just put that right there. Ooh, now let's look. We don't have this one. This is the look with the slit up the side. This one is so cute. This was what came in the first one, you guys. Next one. Go ahead and open box number 3. Ooh, It feels like Christmas whenever like I unbox anything, and it's a complete surprise whatever you get. So okay, go ahead. I love this like little wrapping paper. Oh, I don't even know if I showed you guys, but this is like the back of the boxes. She has like her own special box and everything too. So we have a repeat of what we just opened. So I don't know if the accessory is going to be the same. We'll find out. Yes, it's another Norm. I know she has like, I think like 7 dogs. So it would be kind of iconic if we did get like all of her dogs in that sense.
Who's that, Kevin?
That's Kev.
Norman and Bambi are the 2 oldest. And then Harley and Rosie.
Whoa, 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 whoa. There's a lot of dogging around here. Okay.
Everybody behave.
Guys, hold on.
And then she got Kevin.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We've got a tangle on aisle 3 here.
And then Jack and Jill.
I can't believe you have 7 of these guys. It's like a farm.
See if we can figure this out. You guys, what the heck? This is the second video that this has happened to me where I think I'm recording and for whatever reason it's either not recording or it cuts off, and I think it's because I need to clean out my storage data. But I'm gonna show you guys the next ones that we unboxed. So yes, we're gonna just, I guess, re-unbox them. I don't even know if that's possible, but like bear with me 1 second. So far we have look number 2. We have 2 of the number 5 looks. We have 2 of the Norms, and then we have 1 of the velvet ropes. I technically already have the Met dress here, also this look, so I'll be fine if we don't unbox it, but I would like to unbox it. So now I'm gonna show you guys what came out of box number 4. Can you guys guess what it is that we got? We unboxed the purple Met Gala look. It was so cute. It is so cute. And I get to have her on display along with the Met look. Can you guess what else we got? If you guessed Norm, you are right. Originally, I thought it was just with this outfit look that you got a dog, but apparently it's with more than one look that you get a dog. So we unboxed another dress. This is look number 2 from the pamphlet. It is so cute. And now we have 2 of the number 2s. So what else was in that box? Does anybody want to take a guess? If you guessed another dog, you are right. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have a whole litter of dogs by the end of this video. So the next one, can you guys guess what I unboxed for this one? I'll go ahead and give you a second to think. Okay, if you guessed another dog, you, my friend, are right. Oh my gosh, how many is this now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is dog number 6. And what else was in that box? So now we have 3 number 2 looks. We have 2 number 5 looks. We have 1 number 1 look. And we have 6 Norms and a velvet rope. And I have 1 more to unbox. She got the little cap that she wore to the Met Gala in honor of Virgil, and the wedding dress. I will see you on my next one. Bye!